Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to turn on and install DuckDuckGo app. Here we go to this DuckDuckGo app as you see. In this sign we click on three dots. Here in this list we click on settings and you will enter. Then this page we go to private search and you will click. Here in this page we go to more search settings and you will click. After that, in this page you will go to this sign here and you will click. If this sign changed like this, then you can know how to turn on DuckDuck and install DuckDuckGo. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching.